Hello, hi. At first, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channels and please watch these videos until to ends. So now I have two kind of screens. It means, and when you buy Android screens, so a lot of different chips they are selling, but I use two kind of chips like the Android screens, which is the best one, the best chips. This is like 2 GB RAMs, 2 GB and 32 GB is the memory, and this is both is like 2 GB RAMs. So I'll show you the back. So this is the back. So this one is come with fans, but this is both 2 GB RAMs, is the same process. But I'll show you how to work with Android screens. All Android screen is the same, just the feature is different. But for you, both the screen has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So how you know that it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto? If it has Zilling 5 apps, so then you know that it has 5 apps. So in the screens, all is the same, just the feature is different. It's all in English, you know. This is the main menu in screens, the basic things. So I show you like how to use to how to work with it. So at first, aux he doesn't need it. Bit music, if you connected Bluetooth, if you connect Bluetooth in here, then you will go to beta music, then you have the sound to play it from the phones, and in the screen you will have the sounds. Car info, it give you like, but this car doesn't have the canvas, so it's not current for general purpose engine types. It doesn't show you any things because now it's not installed in car. Chrome is like Google. If you use Wi-Fi and screen you will use Wi-Fi, then you will give data mobile hotspot to screen, then you can use Chromes. So the most important things, DSP options. So all Chinese screens DSP, like Android screen, they has DSP. This screen, this another chip also has DSP, and this is also. When you go in here, so in DSP options, you can equalize the sounds. Like you can add bass to the speakers. You can go to the scene, and you can go to the sound fields. You can go to front, rear speakers, and you can equalize the sound. So this is the DSP option. This screen is also the same, so you can equalize the sounds. You will have to go front and reset, but if you want to now make it reset, just full modes reset. And here is also, you can just make it reset. It's reset better. This side is also, you has reset, just press this, it will be reset. So we come back to menu. So we go menu to menu. File managers, like all the screens come with Android with 2 USB cable, so it has 2 USB cable. So some of this Android audio, if you buy 1 GB RAM, 2 GB like the memory, so the CarPlay doesn't work wireless. You need to plug it with cable. So if you see this 4 pins, this 4 pin is for the CarPlay. So this goes in the box in here. So one we have 4 pins, and another we have, I'll show you, 2 USB cables. So we have 2 pins. So the 6 pin that goes to the back of the radio, this is for USB if you use it USB, but the CarPlay will not work with this USB cable. If you has this 4 pins, this is for the CarPlay. If you plug it to wire with the phones, the CarPlay will works. But this screen, so I have it, this is the best chips, the best screens. You doesn't need to plug this USB for the CarPlay. The CarPlay will work like wireless. So some of the chips, like the lower quality, if you buy it, it doesn't work wireless, so you need to plug with cables, like to use CarPlay. So file managers, like if I plug this USB, if you have some music videos in USB, you will plug it and you will see it in here. You can, in SD cards, you can play some videos, music from the SD cards, flash. So instruction, this is instruction. Board screen has instructions. So some of the customers like ask where I have to search the instruction. Built in, like in a screen, they have instructions about the screens. Like in here, they show you how to work with this screens, the password, everything, they have it in here. So this is also, it has all the how to read this manual, like main interface. When you click in here, it's all in English. you can have more information about the screens. So I'll go back. Maps, and this is built-in maps. This maps, when you click it, it doesn't work because this map only work if you use Wi-Fi. If the screens take Wi-Fi, then you can use this maps, but now it doesn't have Wi-Fi, so this map will not working. I think this is just for, and they put it in designs, but if you use Wi-Fi also, it doesn't work this maps correctly. So it's better use Apple CarPlay for the GPS. So we come to second menu. This is also my car. It gives you information about the car canvas, these types. So this screen has, so this another screen, so I'll show you later. Play Store, if you download some games, some things. Radio, this is your radio stations. This is, you will search, like if you find some of the radio you want to save it, just press. If you press it, the channel will be saved. So this is the radio stuff. So restart, the screen will restart. Screen off, the screen will make off. So screen saver, settings, and here you have the settings. The setting, like you will have you can change the language. If you want to change the language, you can go to the systems language. In here you can go, they has a lot of every country languages. You can use the language, you can the screen language, the keyboard language, date and time. If you want to like to change date and time, in here you can find date and times. You can choose and you can select, you can adjust the date and times. So this is Wi-Fi and network. I can make it a little screen font size and make it big. Okay, so now it's big. So when we go here to the settings, we find networks, display, storage, account, system. In here system, you can change the language of the screen. So this is information about the screen, that is chips, like display. You can change the fonts, and the basic is in here, language and dates. You can choose it in here. So app is also in here. If you want to delete some of the app, you can delete and install the apps. So this is this was your settings. So the most important thing is switch learnings. Like if your car has wheel control buttons, you need to program it from here. Some of the car, like they doesn't program from here, they need a canvas directly. You will choose the cars and the wheel control will work. But some of the car you need to program it from here. If the car has like wheel control buttons, you will press to start. Then one by one you will, like if you want to program the volume up, you just press this and press the wheel control button. The program will in here shows that it succeed. But now it doesn't have wheel control button, so it will stay like this. But you can program it like this. It's very easy. Toolboxes also, I'll check it. We have this thing, so it doesn't need it. The U style, so every screen has a special dimms features, so you can choose the dimms. Now like I like this dim, I'll just go select it, yes. So now the feature is like that is now is different dim. So this is video. If you have some videos and USB flash these things, you can watch videos in a screen and it by putting the USB flash videos in here, and you can watch it there. Okay, so this is also finished. Wallpaper, you can choose the every screen is not the same, so I told you every chip is like different, but this is P13 chip, so this is has like good beautiful dimms wallpapers. YouTube, if you use Wi-Fi, if you has data, you can use Wi-Fi, but without that you cannot use Wi-Fi. So the last thing is Z-Link 5. So Z-Link 5 is for the CarPlay. This is very important. So this is working by CarPlay. So now this screen is also the same. They have the same options: radio, music, videos, Bluetooth, BT music settings. And when you go in settings, I will show you in this screens. And system. In here you can change the language, date, everything. So you can change the date, language, everything, and settings. So Okay, so DSP option also it has one thing like in this Android screen. So I'll show you. You have two kind of settings. This setting is belong to the software of the Android. Like you can like in Android, this belong to the softwares. But one you has another like also core settings. Both screen has like the same core settings. So this screen is like for core settings. You can like enter switch. So if you want to have wheel control buttons and those chips, you can find it in here. Like you can program the wheel control buttons. So that screen was different. This is different. Factory reset if you have want the sound adjustments, and if you want to select the canvas, the password is 6 times 0. You will go. You can select the canvas types in here, which car you has. So this is all like this. So all is the same. This is also it has dimms. You can choose the dimms also, and you will go back. This also, so in this screen's important thing is Helium 5 if you want to use CarPlay. So thanks for watching the videos. Now we have CarPlay. Hope you subscribe my channels, and if you have any questions about the screens, about the Android screens, you can just comments me, then I will record a video and your problem will be solved.